Hey everyone, how are you tonight? It is, what is it? It is Thursday evening. I just got home from work. Well, I guess I got home a little bit ago. Had to make dinner for everyone. So I hope you're enjoying your evening. If you're there, say hello to me. I would love to chat with you on here. Anyone out there? But so what I'm going to be doing for you tonight is a project do-over. And that's one of the reasons I love Chalk Couture is you could totally do things over. It's home decor without the commitment. Hey Anita, hi Bethany, how are you? And that's what's really neat about Chalk Couture. So I've done this design already. This is actually part of our Club Couture transfer that came out for the month of February. But like I said, this is chalk paste and I haven't sealed it. So all you have to do is spray it with water. Let it sit for a few minutes, and then I like to use, because I have a little bit of OCD, and if my husband's watching this at the gym, he'll probably chime in, but I have a little bit of OCD, so I take my Clorox wipes and I clean it with Clorox wipes as well. And as you can see, the design that I have already created, it comes off. And that is what I love and I think is so cool. It is totally semi-permanent, unless you make it permanent with the sealer, or you can change it out for each and every season. So how cool is that? Home decor, you guys, without the commitment. Really, really cool. So I'm just cleaning that up, finishing up there. I'm going to spray it again. And then I just want to use a paper towel. So for those of you who've been watching, these products are from Chalk Couture. It is a new home party plan company, and for those of you who know me, you know I love the industry. It's an absolutely amazing industry, and it's funny because a good friend of mine today, and Maureen, if you're watching, it was you, totally did an awesome live video today talking about direct sales and what it can really do and why people do it, why she does it. And again, for those of you who have been friends with me for a long time, you know I've always had a side business and I absolutely love it. I love the concept. For a while, I did do it full time, but then we moved away. So it's kind of hard sometimes when you move away to get back into the groove and with everything going on. But long story short, we have found our home here in New Jersey, and there are absolutely amazing people out here that have become sort of, part of our family. They're friends out here. So I decided to go ahead and jump back into something, and I found Chalk Couture. So really, really awesome. All right, so let's get back to this. This is actually one of our chalkboards from Chalk Couture. This is called our Aiden chalkboard. And Melissa, if you end up watching this, this is actually the chalkboard you guys are going to have for your sip and chalk we have coming up. Now, all of our chalkboards are porcelain steel magnetic. So you can put things on here. You can, it's totally cool, like all the different decor that you could add to it with magnets and things like that. But they're porcelain steel and they all have a 50-year warranty. So really, really awesome. Now, the other thing that Chalk Couture has is a line of screen print transfers that are totally reusable. And for those of you who have been watching over the last couple weeks, we actually just launched 50 new transfers for our spring summer catalog, which is really, really awesome. And not only did we launch transfers, we launched Chalk Couture ink, which is a permanent ink that you can use on all different kind of services. So you could make t-shirts, you could do baby onesies, you could do pillows. So all the cute little things you see out there, you can do that. Hey Nikki, how are you? But I'm just gonna do this simple little project so you can see how easy this is and that anybody can do Chalk Couture. Whether you are Miss Crafty or Craft Challenged, Chalk Couture is absolutely for anyone. So I'm just going to take, this is our Being Grateful transfer for what we have makes what we have enough, which is super cool and pretty. Now, what I like to tell everyone is you always want to make sure you write on the back of your transfer because once again, all of our transfers are reusable. So once we're done, we're going to clean them up with water and Clorox wipes, put them back on the backing, and then you could totally reuse them again for another project. So super cool. So I'm just gonna peel it. I need my bifocals, you guys. I'm getting old. I can't see my corners. All right, so I'm just gonna peel my transfer from the backing. Now the larger ones I like to pull off that way, and I don't know if you can see this, but this side is super shiny, where this side is a more dull color. Super shiny and dull. So that's how you wanna make sure you know which way your transfer goes on. Now this transfer I have used several times, but it is really, really sticky, as you can hear. So all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna place it on my t-shirt that I have on to get a little bit of fuzz on the back of it, and we call that technical term fuzzing it up. Super simple. And then I'm just gonna lay this right on my chalkboard. And now all of our transfers can be used on several different surfaces. So you can do this on your walls, on wood, on windows and mirrors. You can use this on canvas. And again, these are actually, you can use these on fabric and using the Chalk Couture ink. So super cool that you can use these in all different places. And then you just want to make sure there are no bubbles within the places that have the words and the screen print. This part, I don't care if there's bubbles over here. I just care that there's bubbles in here, okay? Now the hardest part of Chalk Couture, and I've mentioned this before, is trying to figure out which colors you want to use. I think we have 35 different colors of Chalkology chalk paste, and all of our chalk paste is a semi-permanent water-soluble chalk paste. So once again, if you want to seal a project and make it permanent, you totally can. But it's really nice that, again, this is totally home decor without the commitment. So today I'm going to be using our sand and our periwinkle. So all I want to do is when I open my chalk paste is I just want to mix it up. And I just want to make sure it's kind of like a yogurt consistency. If for any reason it's not, you can totally add water to these and make it the consistency that it needs to be. So these are both really, really good. I think I used these the other day, so. But yeah, I am totally loving this, you guys. And I know I've mentioned this before, but we are a brand new ground floor company. And if there's anybody out there looking to make extra income, looking to have fun girls' night outs, I know I can't even talk tonight. That's crazy. But this is the way to do it, you guys. It's so fun and so simple that anybody can create beautiful designs. Now this, I'm kind of just going to go like this, only because I'm going to do one whole color first, and then I'm going to go back over it. And I'm going to use my big squeegee tonight. So you just put your chalk paste on, you pull your squeegees across the transfer and make sure you're covering all of it. And you don't need a lot. Any excess, you're going to go ahead and put back in your jar, because you don't need it. Super fun, right? But to get back to what I was saying, it is $99 to start your own business. And I have to tell you, if you're looking for, like I said, a extra income, fun night out with the girls, honestly, tax breaks, tax write-offs, this is totally the way to do it. And it's so easy and so fun, and there's so many different ways you can share this business. You can create designs and just sell the designs you make. You can do sip and chalks, which is what I have been doing. You can sell items on Etsy or on Facebook. So there's so many different avenues, and I would love to share that with you. Now, I just kind of want to add a little bit more color to certain words. So that's what I'm doing. If there are any teachers out there, let me tell you, I know you guys have whiteboards. Chalk Couture goes really great on whiteboards. I don't know if you guys saw the other day, I did this project right here. This was done on a whiteboard. So just think of all the cute little things you could do in your classroom. So definitely, if you want to know more, get in touch with me. All right. So who else is out there? What are you guys doing tonight? Anything fun? So I'm just, oh, I almost put that in the wrong one. That would have been bad. You don't want to mix them like that. So just going ahead, trying to get as much color in there as I can. I don't want a lot. And you don't have to do it this way. This is kind of, honestly, this is the lazy way. I'm not going to lie to you. This is totally the lazy way to add another color in here. I didn't want a lot, I just wanted to show you how easy this was. And then I just have a bucket of water off to the side to put everything in when I'm done. So next is the peel and reveal for you guys to see how cool Chalk Couture really is. Are you ready? Are you ready? Look how beautiful. I love this part. This is my favorite part of my make and takes, when everybody pulls off their transfers to see what they created and they're like, oh my gosh, I did it. But this, again, look how simple and easy that was. Hey Annette, how are you? I can't wait for you to get your kit, Annette. It's so fun. But you guys, this is how simple and easy Chalk Couture is. And if you're interested in learning more, get in touch with me. If you don't mind, over to the left-hand side of your mobile devices, there's a share button if you want to share this video, if you think it's really cool. Also, don't forget, I'm going to be giving this boho flower that I did away if we get 25 shares on the video from yesterday. So make sure you check that out. I know, I'm so excited for you. I can't wait. But I hope you love how quick and easy project this was for you to have with your friends. And I hope you guys have a really great evening. And thanks for taking the time to watch me tonight. Give me some thumbs up and hearts. And I miss you guys, and I will see you soon. All right, good night.